This is all over my FYP. I cannot get away from this crochet wine glass holder. I had to make one. It is super easy. The pattern is below in the caption. I made it with 3 different types of yarns, and I also double stranded with the pink one, which is what I'm going to show you with. But I used a just regular size glass, but this can fit any glass. It can. So you're going to go ahead and chain 15. This first chain is really going through that bottom of the glass, so you can make this smaller or bigger because the pattern is not going to matter. You're going to slip stitch in that first chain to join, and that's going to be the circle. Then what we're going to do is we are going to chain 3, and we are going to skip the next chain there, and we are going to single crochet in that next chain. And you're just going to repeat that all the way around. So you're going to chain 3, skip that stitch, and then you're going to single crochet in the next one. And you're just going to continue on because you're making these loops because this is just going to create the foundation of what you're making. So chain 3 and then skip that stitch, and then you're going to single crochet. So once you get used to the repeats in this pattern, you're going to notice that it's going to fit any glass. So you have a big glass, small glass, any glass will work. We're going to finish this round and slip stitch at the top of that chain 3 there just to join. And this is the last time you're going to join. You don't need to join anymore. I want you to just keep crocheting with the pattern that I'm about to tell you. So you are going to chain 4, and then you are going to single crochet in those loops that you made. So those chain 3 loops that you made at the beginning, that's where you're putting your single crochet. So you're just going to repeat that. Chain 4, single crochet in that loop, chain 4, single crochet in the loop. And you're going to keep doing that over and over and over again. And what I did while I was doing this repeat of chain 4 and single crochets, I was putting my glass in to see how many rows I was going to make. And this is where you can adjust to that big glass that you have, that beautiful glass that you put your red wine in. Those are the glasses that I use. I used a smaller glass to show in this video, but I use those big wine glasses. So this is perfect because you just keep going and going and going. So you're going to be doing chain 4s and single crochets in the loops. You are not going to slip stitch to join. You do not need to do that. There's just no point. You can just keep going and going and going. And this pattern will just work up itself, and you will see how fast and easy this is. And as I was working through, I wanted to add in my glass so that I could measure exactly how big or small or how many rows I needed to fit it. And this one seemed perfect. So we're starting the strap. So I did the strap this way. I did a chain 4, and then I went back and double crocheted in the 3rd chain from the hook. So I went backwards. And I did this because it gave it a little structure, but it also gives it a little bit of a pattern. So chain 4, and then just count 3 chains back from the hook and do a double crochet. You definitely don't have to do this. You could just do single crochets and go back and do more single crochets or slip stitches, whatever you want. But I love how this strap has a little bit of texture in it. So I love that. So that's how I did my strap. And then you just basically even it out. I folded it in half just to get the exact place to place that strap. I slip stitched, fastened it off, and there it is. Really, I weaved in all these ends, and there is your crochet wine glass holder. A super easy pattern. I love that this can be adjusted to any wine glass because this wine glass is way too small. This wine glass is from Florence. I went to the wine windows in Florence, and if you ever have the opportunity to go to Florence, Italy, you can ring a bell and this little window opens and they give you your wine right through that glass. And I brought that back on the plane with me. So yeah. So I used 3 different types of textures of yarn here. The yellow one was a little bit of softer cotton. This one was worsted that I used for the tutorial, and I double stranded that pink one. And then this was a more softer type of yarn, but really use any yarn you want because you're just measuring it as you're going and working it up. But this is such an easy pattern to do and adjustable to any wine glass size, which I love and really on brand for me because all my patterns are adjusted to any size. othcrochetnook.ca is where you're going to find all my free patterns, including this one, this crochet wine glass holder. Find the link down below in the caption. I don't know how long your wine is going to last in this wine glass holder. Mine definitely would not last long, so I don't know if I would actually use this, but it's fun. Happy crocheting.